Hi, Sajad. I think it's easier for me just to make a little video here. So I commented your introduction in that previous Dropbox that you didn't have a thesis, and your thesis tells me what your body paragraphs are going to be about, and it answers the thesis question in the prompt. And because you don't have a thesis and you weren't following the prompt, your body paragraphs aren't right. But I know you can do this and fix it. And I'm going to sort of lead you step by step through the process. So I'm going to go to course. I'm going to go to week 2 because in the week 2 overview page, you will find the essay 1 prompt. And when you read the essay 1 prompt, you're going to look for those lines that tell you exactly what I want you to do in this essay. And so here are some of the lines. I want you to choose 2 areas of your life to write about: your career, academic work, relationships, etc. Then you will describe your vision of the future in vivid detail. That's what you're supposed to be doing in your body paragraphs. And then also, if you should read this whole thing. You should put it right on your desktop and read it, and you should refer back to it over and over again. But also here, this bit here on the thesis statement. So the thesis statement comes at the very end of your introduction, and it says what this essay is going to be about, and it answers the thesis question. And you should read this really closely because it says, your introduction should end with a thesis that presents a vision of your best future in 2 areas of life and also connects that vision back to your definition of happiness. A good thesis statement for this essay might sound like this, and then I've given you a template for a thesis. In 5 years, I plan to have completed my, BS in computer science and established my career as a software engineer in order to achieve a meaningful life defined by, right? That's sort of, you fill in the blanks. Or it could be, I plan to have completed my BS in computer science and moved my family to a house in the country or something, right? Like that. But you don't have that sentence, which should go, this is your introduction, right? It should go right here where my cursor is. That's where that sentence should go. And then that sentence tells me what the body paragraphs are going to be about. So your body paragraphs, as the prompt says, should describe your future in vivid detail. So now I want to take you to a model body paragraph so you can see what that looks like. I'm going to go to announcements here because I had provided one in the announcements. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 announcements back. Here's a model body paragraph to help you on your way. So I'm clicking there, and it's Deanna's paragraph. And so her goal that she states in the topic sentence is to move from California to Nebraska. And then she's got a few transition sentences. And then she describes I think it goes to about here. And so it sounds sort of like this, it sounds like her describing her future once she has achieved this goal. She says, she has sentences like, I relish the thought, right? I can visualize myself riding a bike. I imagine exploring my new city. I envision, right? So she's really describing what her life is going to be like in the future. That's what I wanted you to do. That's what the prompt asked you to do. And that's what you haven't done yet. Instead you did it, looks like you did sort of a text analysis. You were responding to direct quotations, but that's not what this essay is about. So I'd love to help you more, but now I think you know what it is, and I think you can do it. But anyway, reach out if you need